Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this gele tutorial, I'm going to be showing you two styles, and this is the size of the gele I'm using. I actually did the ruffle gele and the turban. Is it turban or the cap gele? Some people call it cap, some people still call it turban. But as you can see, the first one is going to be the cap gele. I folded it twice in one direction and once in another direction, but if you watch closely, it's very much self-explanatory. So I just try to pin to cover the back, and then take, after tying behind, it's nothing difficult. You basically just fold, tie at the back, and then you have two hands out. So you take one of the hands, this is the longer side. I think this was the longer side, so I folded around the tip from the left to the right and right to the left to meet in the middle. Then I just inserted it down into where I tied. Then I took the other hand, wrapped it into like a rope or something like that, and then tied it around the one I tucked in and pinned it at the other end. So this doesn't look very, arranged at the back, but I wasn't using a mirror to see at this point. The mirror was in front of me, but I needed you guys to see what the back looked like. So I just, yeah, if you have more time, you can always make the back look different or more arranged, or you can just do anything with the rest of what you have left. And the second style is going to be the ruffle gele I used for the previous video you guys saw. So I had to create a new video for this one because the one I did, I discovered I missed a very crucial part of it, and I just had to do another one. So I did the same style I had in the last tutorial, which was the Owambe makeup tutorial, and then I also did like another way you can have your ruffle to be bigger. So the first one is with the bigger ruffle, and then the second one you see after this is going to be exactly what you saw when I did the gele you saw with the makeup I had in my last video. So yeah, just watch attentively. Basically what I do after making the pleats in the front, I just tie it at the back in order to secure it. Then I take one of the hands, specifically the right hand, and then I just start pinching the gele from inside and taking from like different angles, left, right, top, bottom, just to create that squeezed and ruffled look. And then I pin it from the back in such a way that it's very secure. So when I pin it all the way to the end, then I continue the same process from one end to another again to create that beautiful ruffle. Then I take the second hand and do it on top of this first ruffle in order to make it bigger. So basically you just need to like squeeze the gele and pin. That's what brings out the beauty of the ruffles in the ruffle gele. People have different styles of tying ruffle gele though, but yeah, that's basically just it. If you get your pleats right, you can also start tying it from the back and then tie it in front, in the middle or something, then before you start pleating, if you want your ruffles to be all the way from ear to ear. Okay, but I think I prefer the one-sided ruffle. I haven't tried the full one before, and I feel like my gele is not big enough. I don't like when the ruffle is looking too small. So yeah, as you can see, I just take the second hand and start squeezing, pinching and pinning from the tip of the first ruffle I had already created. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and like this video. If it was helpful to you, you can also share. And next week I'll be coming up with another very interesting video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and Enjoy the rest of your week.